Good early morning from Disney's All-Star Music Resort. Wade and I are headed for breakfast.
Hi, can I get Mickey waffles with potatoes? Anything else? The American. Thank you.
Okay, so after Wade and I had breakfast, we ended up parting our ways. He is filming a resort tour this morning before we leave, and I wanted to go to the gift shop and get some H2O products. So I ended up getting the sea salt body wash. I wanted to get the shampoo and conditioner, but all they had was the conditioner. They were sold out of the shampoo. The guy said that they would have a shipment today and that it would sell out probably really quick. So anyways, I'm headed to the room, and Sam and I are gonna get things in order to basically pack up and leave this morning. Yeah, so it's been a super fun stay, but it is time to go home. And that's what we're about to do. We're gonna get our stuff together and head out and travel on this beautiful Florida day back to Mississippi. And just like that, we are packed up and we are about to hit the road. It's really sad, but I'm ready to see my dog. First stop of the road trip. We did hit a little bit of traffic. There was a wreck, and now we're gonna go inside. Sam didn't get breakfast, so he's gonna get some breakfast. We just got gas and just use the restroom, maybe get some coffee. And I love this little spot right here. I'm taking a picture in front of it. It's so cute. There he is. Wade ended up picking us up some chicken nuggets to snack on for the road, and he picked up me this pineapple mango lemonade, which I thought was delicious. We ended up hitting lots of traffic on and off of the remainder of the first half of the drive. We saw a large group of ATVs, side-by-sides, and dirt bikes in the median of the highway somewhere in Alabama. This guy thought he could outrun the cop on his dirt bike, which was kind of funny. We stopped a few times for gas, and after our 12-hour drive, we made it home just after the sun went down. It was an exhausting drive home, and we were all so relieved to finally make it. We had the best week in Orlando and made some core memories along the way. Thank you guys for following along, and we will see you in the next one. Bye guys.